If you're buying an outdoor security camera, don't just look at the price of the camera. Some brands charge monthly fees for cloud storage. Some lock motion history behind subscriptions, and over time, you could end up paying hundreds more than you expected. In this video, I'll rank the best outdoor security cameras without monthly fees, so you can secure your home without paying every month. Number 1. TP-Link Tapo C120 Outdoor Cam. I've chosen the versatile C120 Outdoor Cam as the best pick for buyers who want a little of everything, with a fairly low initial cost, too. Tapo's blend of subscription-free features. There is a Tapo plan, but it's far from necessary. Offers person recognition and onboard video storage with the purchase of a micro SD card. Another advantage of the C120 is its 2K resolution, higher than many of TP-Link's budget models, and its magnetic base, which makes placement easy whether you're using it indoors or out. Just keep in mind, you'll still need a safe outlet nearby. It also comes with color night vision and compatibility with both Alexa and Google Assistant. TP-Link's app also allows for a couple of neat tricks, including digital boundary lines that act as motion zones and customizable siren alarms. Number 2. Reolink Argus PT Ultra with solar panel. Reolink's Argus line offers dependable outdoor cameras with high resolutions for capturing more detail, making it ideal for this list. One of my current favorites is the PT Ultra model. It has an included solar panel, which you can latch onto the camera or position at a distance to pick up sunlight and keep the battery charged. In addition to the pan-tilt capabilities and 4K resolution, this camera has automatic tracking and object recognition for people, vehicles, and pets. There's a micro SD card slot for local video storage, but you'll have to supply your own card. Who is this for? People who don't mind spending extra for a high-resolution, largely hands-off outdoor camera that's ready for anything. Who shouldn't buy it? Buyers who would prefer saving money on a less expensive camera. People who don't need pan-tilt features for a large area. Number 3. Aqara Camera Hub G3. I found Aqara's hub to offer smooth performance, a very clear app view of its 2K camera, and pan functions to cover an entire room. You also get person detection and noise detection for free, and video storage via the micro SD slot. Setup proved very straightforward too, and there's even some Apple Home compatibility along with Google and Alexa. This camera also has a hidden benefit with its hub status. It can connect to other Aqara security sensors included with this camera. You don't have to set them up, but the little sensors for motion, access, and vibration can transform this camera into a mini security system. Who is this for? Those looking for a crystal clear indoor pan-tilt camera that doesn't demand fees for extras like object recognition, plus the opportunity to expand into other security sensors. Number Eufy SoloCam S340. Eufy has long been a reliable brand for getting important AI features like person and animal detection without the need for a subscription. Its latest 4K pan-tilt outdoor model offers a detachable solar panel, similar to my Reolink pick, so you don't have to worry as much about battery charging. This cam comes with two-way audio for talking or sounding a siren, and some basic object tracking and recognition for free. The catch is that you really need a Home Base 3 from Eufy to unlock local video storage and other benefits, which adds $100 or more to the overall cost. Who is this for? Those looking for an extra high-resolution pan-tilt outdoor camera that doesn't require fees to enable AI, and don't mind paying extra for a hub. Number 5. Wyze Cam V4. I'm starting to give Wyze cameras a new chance now that it's been a couple of years since Wyze has had any security incidents. This 2.5K resolution, 4th-gen version of its flagship camera, while a bit delicate, offers a versatile indoor-outdoor design that you can mount with included adhesive stickers nearly anywhere you want, as long as there's a suitable wired connection nearby. For under $40, Wyze's Cam offers an impressive lineup of free features, including detection of vehicles, people, pets, and packages, which I've tested, and settings to adjust the sensitivity of the camera in multiple ways. If you're looking for an especially good budget choice, this Wyze Cam closely rivals my top Tapo pick. Finally, the camera has a microSD slot to support local video storage too. If you've already decided on the brand and just want the best outdoor option without monthly fees, watch my next video. And if this comparison saved you from wasting money, hit like so others don't make the wrong choice.